yeast in the air. Got so much bread, smoking on high tide, got me fried. I eat a pie. If I hate a bitch, then it's high and by. Fuck your goals, let's get to the money. I don't play around when it comes to anything. Money ain't shit, I be proud to pay. Most of these niggas be proud to be lazy. I don't give a fuck if it was your homie. I don't fuck with y'all. When I get a call for the money, always answer. I'm throwing money if you're shaking for something. I don't really fuck with the beef, ain't beef for nothing. Most of y'all be scared to work. I'ma work till I die. Marijuana bust out the backwards. She didn't like me cause I didn't act it. I didn't like her cause she didn't suck good. 10K a month, all I need. I didn't really get my money right till I got some skills. Now you have to pay me if I turn the wheel. If you in my way, then you gon' kill. I'll make it quick. I don't like bitches screaming. Number 13, I'm really beaming. Know by mouth, but I'm not getting hurt. Get with the program unless you a problem, bitch. You heard what I said, yeah. Get with the program unless you a problem, bitch. You heard what I said. Get with the program unless you a problem, bitch. Yeah. Get with the. What you gonna do when you're outside? What you gonna do what you never mean? What you gonna do when you're I got more problems than average nigga, but you can tell I'm a savage nigga. All I want is the bread, cabbage bags, my nigga. Smell like yeast in the air. So much bread, smoking on high tide, got me fried. I eat a pie. If I hate a bitch, then it's time to buy. Fuck your goals, let's get to the money. I got more problems than average nigga, but you can tell I'm a savage nigga. All I want is bread, cabbage bags, my nigga. Smell like yeast in the air. Smoking on high tide, got me fried.